In this video, we will cover how food is properly stored in any refrigerator. As you can see, there is a food storage hierarchy poster on the door as a reminder as well. Let's go from bottom to top. First, notice that each shelf has a sheet pan protecting it in case of any dripping. From top to bottom, the items are stored on top as ready-to-eat foods, and the other items go from lowest cooking temperature to the highest cooking temperature required. On the bottom, we have raw poultry, which has a necessary cooked temp of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. As we go up the shelves, we have ground, injected, marinated, or tenderized meats. As you can see here, we have ground pork and marinated beef. This cook temperature is 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Next shelf, whole seafood, beef, pork, veal, lamb, roasts, and eggs for cook temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Next shelf, we can store any food that will be hot held that is not in other categories. As you can see, we have some produce, bread, and sauces for a cook temperature of 135 degrees Fahrenheit. And there you have it, our refrigerated food storage hierarchy. Remember, food is stored from lowest required cooking temperature to highest. Then, make sure your items are not dripping. Lastly, when in doubt, refer to the poster.